Hey guys, I'm Sharon Cole and today I'm going to share with you ways on how to deal with breakup. I prefer this than a water bottle. So let's get into the video, guys. Breakups are hard, whether you're a dumper or a dumpy. It's a very difficult thing to deal with. You might feel like you will never make it out of the heart shattering sadness, but you will. So here are the 5 things you can do to help you put yourself back together after a breakup. And the first one is experiencing it. The only way to really get over a breakup is to deal with it. You don't have to distract yourself, but let yourself feel the emotions one at a time. If you feel like crying, just cry. Crying is a bad reputation, but it's extremely therapeutic. Crying isn't losing control, but it's gaining back through owning your own emotions. So the second thing that you need to do is focusing on yourself. After being the second half of the couple for a while, you tend to forget how it feels like to be on your own again. So try to be on your own. Do whatever you feel like doing. Try to think about you and only you most of the time, in order to regain that awesome sense of being independence after losing it by being someone else's significant other. This can be done in a number of ways, and let me share with you some of the ways. And the first one is treat yourself to something nice, like a delicious dinner or a day out and about. And the second one is indulge yourself a little bit by buying yourself some outfits or something that you've set your eyes on. Get your favorite food or a bottle of wine and enjoy it with your friends or without friends. The other one is take your time to remind yourself who you are. Or you can even try new things. Like maybe you've always wanted to take some guitar lessons or take a yoga class. Or maybe you bought a novel or a storybook some years back and you never found time to read the storybook because you were always with your man. Right now is the time that you can finally take that book and read it. Or you can just find yourself a new hobby, or you can take a class that you have always wanted. You should also get out and bond, meet some new people, and most importantly, just get that pesky ex out of your mind. The fourth thing that you can do is reach out to your family and friends. Friends and families are around for a reason. You know those times that you had to consult your loved one when they were through a rough place. Now is the time for payback. True friends are people who will love and support you no matter what. You deserve your time and attention, and you shouldn't be afraid to reach out to your friends and families and ask for your attention. You need to spend the weekends reconnecting with your family, your parents, grandparents, and siblings, because too often we do take families for granted. And so this is the only chance to sneak in and show your family that you still care about them. Not only that, you can consider volunteering to help others, because this will also let you go out and meet some new people in your life, and you will make new friends, and possibly you will meet a new love choice. The last thing that you need to do in order to deal with a breakup is to move on. You need to move on, guys. It's not common for two people to break up and be friends. So the most important thing you can do is to suit yourself from that person. If that means making a month vacation or more vacations to be apart, so be it. Just go away from that person. Be far from that partner of yours that you have broken up, because when you stay together and pretend to be friends, you will probably get back together, and you don't want that to happen. Maybe that person really broke your heart, and so you need to move on, guys. You need to be on your own. Just go for a vacation. Do not email, text, or call that partner, because what you both needed at this point was space. Maybe he wanted space, and so all you need to do is to give him that space. Breakups create emotional wounds, and so if you're not in consequent contact with the ex-partner, you will never give yourself the time that you need to heal. You need to cut off all the communications with your ex-partner so that you can be able to move on. After the healing process, you can go out and meet some new people, because there is some truth about this adage that the best way to get over a person is to go after someone. So you need to find someone else. You need to move on. You can join Tinder or some other dating apps, or go out where you are assured that you can meet someone new, someone that you can connect with at a deeper level. Breakups are so difficult things to deal with, but it's not the end of the world. In fact, it's now time for getting something new and better. Please share some thoughts and comments on what you think about this topic. And please don't forget to subscribe, because I'm gonna share more of these videos with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and let's meet on my next video. See you guys.